Right, I'll show you this job. I've agreed to do this job just to help somebody out. What I'm going to do is mermaid build this wall here. I know the wall's not the best, but that's what I've been asked to do. Really, it all wants to come out, but obviously money's clearly a little bit of an issue. And I'm going to put a shower on, so I'm going to tee into them hot and colds. Might come off the basin. I think that's old 3/4 inch copper. Chrome pipe up the side. We're going to put a bath shower screen on there. And I've just got a Bristol Scenic, but I'm going to go top entry with that. You can flip them round and just go up and across. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. This is not going to be the best job, but yeah, basically we just need to get a shower in here for the gents, so obviously just to help him out. So that's what we're going to do. Obviously you can see, yeah, that's what we're working with. I say not everything is going to be, you know, on this job, but yeah, we're going to do our best for him and we're going to get the job sorted, and yeah, hopefully it helps him out, because that's all you can ever do. You know, yeah, just jobs like this do get to you, because obviously you feel sorry for people. But I've never seen a toilet system chopped into a wall before, but that's like a back to the wall thing, isn't it? Is what it is. Got hot and colds here, which I'm literally, I think I'm just going to tee there and tee there. Is it hot on the left? Yeah, it's hot on the left. So yeah, and then just leave himself 2 ISOs, and I say just bend a couple up. So we'll get that bit done first, get some ISOs on there, and yeah, get it sorted. So our stop tap is that one. At least that seems like it's going to work. Get that off there. Open them, and yeah, I'll get into that pipework. Right, at least that's got the water off. Disconnect it at the top, might give me a bit more space. Might give me a bit of movement on my pipes, is what I'm trying to say. It ain't no time for home, mama. I had to get that one in there. No, we're alright. We'll get jobs sorted for people. It's probably half-inch pipe this, but half-inch 15mm of it, should I say. There they are. You can get away with soldering on it if you wanted to, but I think I'm just going to use compression air. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, so yeah, yeah. Not having much luck with pipe slices at the minute. Yeah, this one's really old, but well, old for a pipe slice. I think it's not old, the pipe's all painted. But So this gives us full control of the system now. So we've got hot and cold isolators ready to pick up the new shower pipe work. Beautiful, we can get the water back on, make sure we've got no leaks. Right, that's got the water all back on. So all we're going to do is literally bond a mermaid board on this wall. I know it isn't the best, but really all this should come off. I mean, it's, yeah, what can you do? But yeah, that's what we've been asked to do. It'll be okay. It's certainly going to be a lot better than it was. So I'm just going to carry it across, and then we're just literally going to clip chrome pipe up along the side. So yeah, I'll go and get that cut, get that bonded on. I'll just use CT1 to bond it on with, which will be absolutely fine. And hopefully it'll strengthen the wall up. I mean, it's not as bad at the top as it is at the bottom, but these Bristol Sneak showers are good because you can top pipe them, you can rear pipe them, and they come with spacers. So I think they'll go from something like 105 centres to 175. So if you're retrofitting or anything like that, they are good. Obviously, hot on the left, cold on the right, and all I'm going to do in mine is, well, you have to undo that back plate, screw it on the wall, and then we're just going to go straight up and then above the screen. So yeah, I think they're one of the only showers on the market where you can do that. But yeah, handy if you're retrofitting, because as I say, you can wind these spacers in and out to obviously get over your pipe centres if they're slightly different. But yeah, that's what we're using, Bristol Sneak. I'm going to use the longer ones because I want to keep it 150, because 150 is standard. But I suppose if you ever dropped a clanger with your first fix, you could get one of these because obviously your tails will wind in. But I use the longer ones just because it's more standardised, if that makes sense. And just push them on and screw them up. And that should be 150. I lied, they'll go from 110 to 155 pipe centres, but that's still normally enough to get yourself out of the muck. The only reason I got it here was because I wanted to top pipe it, but they'll also do from like 0.1 of a bar to 5 bar. So if you've got unbalanced hot and colds, ours are balanced here actually. So yeah, that's what we're fitting. So I've just stuck that mermaid board on with some CT1. Just wipe off all the excess. It doesn't look too bad. It's just tidied that side up. I really can't do much more, but yeah, still got silicone along the top and along the bottom. But yeah, it's fine. I'm going to get the shower on next and start getting some pipes in. So that laser is centre of the bath. Probably just going to get the shower about this height. There's no exact size. I normally do about 1200, but go about there. I think it'll be fine. You use stainless screws, so obviously nothing will rust. Hopefully. So it's just a case of we need some hot and colds. I need to bring them above 1500 to miss the screen. So I think these come clip distance anyway with your chrome clips. So I'll probably just put one set that side and one set that side and just pick them up at the bottom. I'm trying to get everything just lined through, get all my clips on the wall first, because it just keeps everything straight then. So I've just banged the laser up straight through the centre of that, and then I'll put 2 more clips in line, and then I might use some chrome elbows. I don't know if I'll be able to bend it all up in one. I can try. Sometimes the chrome pipe creases a little bit though, so I just pre-drill these holes so we're not damaging the board. Right, that's got them all clipped in, nice and level, nice and straight. Maybe dropped a slight fudge at the bottom because that one's a little bit short. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet because I haven't got any sockets, I don't think. I might just have to bend up to it. Yeah. But as I say, I just put little kicks on them and I've just a couple of chrome elbows at the bottom, and that's it. We've just got to seal up and do the screen then. So that's all the hot and cold connected. I just purge it through. When you're doing these, make sure you seal underneath there. Good squid. Sorry. Right, just the rise well to do and seal up, and we are out of here. Right, thank you so much for watching this episode. Hopefully you're all having a great Christmas. This one's going out on the Sunday, but I am going to get back to a Monday-Friday schedule in the new year. So next one will be Friday, and then we'll be back on Monday-Friday. It's just been over the festive period. I've been and done a couple of jobs today. It's Saturday today, and I've decided to sit down and edit a load of content for the new year. This job I filmed ages ago, but I didn't put it out at the time because I thought I was going to get a lot of criticism and stuff like that. But some jobs you can only do your best. I only charged for my material on this job because clearly money was a little bit of an issue. And I'll do anything. I'll do what I can to help people out. And yeah, it just made the world of difference to him having a shower. It just means he can sort himself out, and hopefully just a little step will make people, it makes a big difference to people's lives is what I'm saying. I'm not saying I'm a doctor or anything like that, I can't solve the world, but sometimes just being able to have access to a hot shower, makes the world a difference. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you all on Friday, the 3rd of January. So yeah, we'll catch you then.